Liberty Lending features, strengths, weaknesses. Liberty Lending specializes in personal loans, offering unsecured options primarily for debt consolidation, home improvement, and large purchases. Loan amounts range from $5,000 to $40,000 with APRs typically between 7.99% and 29.99%, although this can vary significantly based on creditworthiness and loan terms. Loan terms usually span 3 to 5 years. A key feature is their streamlined online application process, often providing quick approvals and funding within a few days. They cater to borrowers with fair to good credit, generally requiring a minimum credit score in the mid-600s. Ideal customers are those seeking to consolidate high-interest debt into a single, predictable monthly payment or need financing for substantial expenses. The strength of Liberty Lending lies in its accessibility. They offer loans to individuals who may not qualify for traditional bank loans, and the fixed interest rates provide payment stability. Their online platform is user-friendly, simplifying the application and management of loans. However, weaknesses include the potential for high APRs, especially for borrowers with less than stellar credit. These rates can significantly increase the overall cost of the loan. Origination fees, which can range from 1% to 5% of the loan amount, are another potential drawback that should be factored into the total cost. Furthermore, they do not offer pre-qualification, meaning a credit inquiry is required to see potential rates, which can temporarily impact your credit score. Customer service reviews are mixed, with some users reporting positive experiences and others expressing frustration with response times and issue resolution. Before committing to Liberty Lending, it's crucial to compare their rates and fees with those of other lenders. If you have excellent credit, you might find more favorable terms elsewhere. Calculate the total cost of the loan, including interest and fees, to ensure it aligns with your budget and financial goals. For borrowers who are credit challenged but require a personal loan and value the convenience of an online platform, Liberty Lending is worth considering. Just be aware of the potential costs and carefully evaluate your options. Ultimately, responsible borrowing involves thorough research and informed decision-making. Remember to only borrow what you can comfortably repay.